Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful, brand new Resilient Lady. This is one of the Sea Terrace XL rooms. Keep in mind, if you want to see the full ship tour, we have that on our channel where we go over all the amenities on this stunning ship. When you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, Virgin's gonna have delicious food included, quite a few drink options included, and of course, elevated service. This is a great option, upgrade from the Sea Terrace. Let me show you why. Now, when you walk in the door, you're gonna find a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready, and we'll step through into the bathroom. Now, it's a nice large space. You've got quite a bit of countertop space here and down below as well, a large backlit mirror. And then just behind me, you're gonna find the water closet on one side, and then the other side, you're gonna find the shower. Now, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". This is one that I really do fit in. It's quite a bit larger. You've got the rainfall shower head up above, the adjustable shower wand there, and then the bath amenities they'll replenish throughout your stay. Now, as we step into the room, you're gonna find the bedroom space. Now, there's quite a bit of storage here, tucked just behind. You've got storage all the way across for hangers. You're gonna find baskets up above, drawers down below, a large full-size laptop safe, and also a hair dryer. Now here, you've got a nice little ottoman where you can sit. Now this also will open up, so your bed can open up so you have a single bed and a large sofa. It's up to you. And then you'll have either side of it, US plugs and USB chargers. And directly across from the bed, you have a flat panel TV. Fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. In fact, you can use this tablet device to control everything in the room. Those movies on demand, the TV, you can stream them right from there. You can open up your curtains. You can even control the lighting and the temperature. Now here you'll find your vanity. You've got a seat to sit on, nice large backlit mirror to utilize. Of course, you had the hairdryer just inside. You'll find more plugs, two US, two USBs, and also a European plug. You've got water, it's always complimentary on Virgin, still sparkling sodas, coffees, and teas. Your mini fridge is just underneath. And once again, this is a high-tech room. They even have a Wi-Fi hotspot in every single one, and that's a complimentary feature. Now you're out on your private sea terrace. You've got two chairs and a table. It's a perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful ocean views. I also love their signature red hammock made by Yellow Leaf. It's a great social experience, and of course, you're gonna absolutely love the comfort of it as you watch the incredible views as you sail around the world. Now, when you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, have an incredible relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.